Hi everybody, Dr. Ellie Stein here, your traveling shrink. I wanted to add an addendum to the little video I just did called Plus ça change, everything changes. As soon as I hit stop on the recording, I realized that everything I said is a parallel to what I've been talking about in a lot of my biomedical videos and teaching, which is hormesis, or beneficial stress. So without going too deep into it, it's overwhelming. The evidence is overwhelming that to remain healthy and live long, our bodies have to see change in food availability, change in temperature, change in light, change in oxygen, change in hydrogen, and I'm sure many more things that I am not remembering in this moment. And without change, our body kind of atrophies. It needs change to signal or trigger very important health and longevity pathways to work better. And I thought to myself, yes, and it's the same with the brain. So when I was making the decision to give up my medical practice, I did it because I couldn't do both. It was just like 2 full-time jobs, doing my medical practice and my online business. And I had some choices. I could give up my medical practice and just do my online business, a very, very insecure choice with lots of challenging learning ahead. I could give up my online business and keep my medical practice, which is more well known for me and perhaps associated with fewer challenges and definitely more financially secure. Or I could give up both and have the kind of sitting back on the beach or golf course kind of retirement that you see in media. Within a couple of days of those decisions becoming clear in my mind, I happened upon a podcast with a very authoritative researcher who was saying that within a couple of years of retirement, the prevalence of everything bad goes up. Heart disease, stroke, dementia, and death, and cancer. I was like, huh. And he said the reason it goes up is because when people retire, they stop challenging their bodies and their minds. And you have to challenge yourself to stay, we'll call it young and healthy. So in that moment, I thought, okay, the choice is obvious. My online business is unknown, insecure, requiring tons of learning, and every day is a new exciting day. And that's the decision I chose because I want to keep my brain, my mind, and my body healthy. So if you're wondering why I'm even coming to you today on this traveling shrink video, it's because of that fact. I'm practicing hormesis for my body, my brain, and my mind, and I want to stay as young and healthy as possible. I would love to hear your comments.